Hello and welcome to another demo of the Solo theme. My name is Ala Haddad and I am the developer for the Solo theme. Today we are going to talk about the global font and the hidden font and the special font. Uh, the global font is the font we can apply to the full site. So when I visit the site now, the site, all the text on the site doesn't have any, it has the default font family. So if we check here, the default font, here is, that's the default font family. So what I have in the theme when it says global font, that we can apply any of these fonts to the global site. So we can pick any font. So let's say I want this one or this one, and we click save. And if I refresh the page, you see the font changed, all the font changed. And this is, it will go for H1, H2, H3, everywhere. It will be changed. The other type of font you can apply, which is the hidden font. The hidden font is just a font can be applied to H1, H2, H3. For people who are not familiar with H1, H1 is just a tag in HTML. It's usually on the page here or here. That's the tag usually. So, or this one. So when we say we need to apply font, we can do the same thing if we do this one. I'm not really familiar with most of them, but here it is. You see, this is the font. So it's for H1, H2, H3. Now it's these fonts. And we also have a special font. Special fonts for any special occasions or beige or anything. I picked them also. They're kind of unique. And the way those are, you don't have to, they're not applied by default. So they will require some work. And the way how you do it is just you apply the CSS class to the paragraph. I can so if it's here, I have samples of the font. It's in the demo site I have for the solo. So if we go to features, and I'm gonna open these 4 or 3 for now. So these are the global fonts. You have a carousel, you could go see them or check the font. This is all the libraries are loaded on this page, only on this page. So you can, that's how you can see the font. And also same thing, the Google font, hidden font also, and also the special font we have here. All these are special, and they can, and the way how I apply them is the same thing. If you check here, you will see I just have the class. That's all. And this is, by the way, can happen with any of the other class of any of the other fonts. So even these fonts, you see, that's the way how, if you want to apply even H1 and H2 to another one or anything, this is each font, pretty much I created a class following it's the font name. That's and beside that, there is all these fonts now are embedded by uh, a link from Google. But in some cases, some people prefer to have the fonts in their server. Uh, we call it loaded locally in the server, and that's where it come in this feature. So if you check this one, whatever font you picked, not the font awesome, this or this, the global font or the hidden font. Now if you check this one, it won't be coming from Google. It will be loaded locally from the theme. This feature gives you more flexibility of picking the font. I hope you like it and see you in the next one.